Hey everyone, had a few questions about my thoughts on what's happening with the SEC and Binance. If you wanted just to skip this video, in a nutshell, it's just a big fat nothing burger. So as you know, if you've been watching my videos for a while, for probably at least 6 months, I've said that there is this big SEC regulatory anvil that's hovering over the whole US crypto market, and thus the whole global crypto market really. And big institutional money, hundreds of billions if not trillions, are sat in the sidelines waiting to get their exposure to crypto, but they can't and they won't until the SEC lays out some clear guidelines, and also for spot Bitcoin and ETH ETFs to be allowed. BlackRock is waiting in the wings, so is Grayscale, and a whole bunch of other people like the Winklevi brothers and all that sort of stuff. So the next bull market, I'm almost 100% positive, will be an institutionally driven market, less so with retail. But we can't get there until the spot ETFs are allowed. Sorry, somehow climbing up this bloody hill. Probably not the best timing. It's a bit windy, so I thought I'd go into the woods. The dog and the cat have gone somewhere. So what's happening is that Binance have pretty much already, they started effectively exiting and reducing their exposure to the US for some time now, and you have to understand that the SEC and all of these government bodies, it's all very political, and so I think they're just trying to do a bit of an optics play and going, oh, Binance pretty much already closed down, let's just sue them and get as much publicity, so when they're finally properly shut down from Binance US, then we can claim that as a win, when they're pretty much already just exiting. So it's nothing. I mean, effective, really, crypto is dead in the US. I mean, if you're going to set up a new crypto project, the US is probably the worst country on the planet to even do it. And so you're having all of the world, the world's cleverest minds, or the people that are venturing out into crypto or setting up something new, I think they're really going to be barking mad to even consider the US. So, Jesus Christ, look at all these stinging nettles. Literally the other day, I'm going to have to backtrack. Yeah, so I think the world is moving more sort of Europe and China, or Europe/Asia than anything. So it's nothing to worry about. There will be more SEC bollocks. I mean, they're trying to sue Coinbase. It won't be the last. And I think the longer the SEC dicks about and pontificates and does nothing, the less effective the SEC will be in the long run. Europe is already trying to move forward with some sort of regulatory guidelines because we've all been waiting for the SEC, and yeah, anyway, just my thoughts. In the short to medium term, I'm expecting further falling in terms of prices. Bitcoin is probably most likely going to take out 25, then 22,500, and then I think we'll pretty much bounce from there. So yeah, I'm short Bitcoin at the moment, but if we get those sort of 22,500-ish levels, then I'd like to pretty much load up on that. Anyway, see ya.